And today is gonna be basic episode with Jojo and something so the main way is those trees with flowers and those pens and then those and I don't know what you will but you can see what you will. So when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys. So when I'm done, yeah. As I'm done,
Mama, let me know when you're done, right? I'm gonna paint.
Need to put lip stuff.
You finish. Eat finish.
Wait guys. So I found a good lighting. We're gonna go wash my face. Guys, I'm back from washing my face. So we're just gonna put like lotion. That is all I do. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna go ask for my father for Vaseline. And I forgot to tell you a dog. So yeah, and I got the Vaseline. So I'm gonna rub it in now. We leave it 9 because church starts at 9. So we leave like almost at 9. And my friend is not coming with. She always comes with me, but I think not today because when I'm done rubbing in my face, I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, I'm done. Now I just have to put lipstick.
Other one?
Guys, when I'm done, I'm gonna show you with the manati ham bar. Guys, I'm done. I'm gonna put my bag in here. But